Hello everyone, welcome to Food Chemistry by Amruta. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying my recipes, which are very healthy and delicious. Today I am going to show you how to prepare chicken roll at home. So here I am going to show you two methods of making a chicken roll. One is with egg. So this is the egg, one egg I have taken, and I have just mixed it, and another method will be without egg. And here the interesting food chemistry twist is I am going to make roll with the chapatis. These chapatis I have prepared in the morning and these are wheat based, so I'm going to use this. I'm not going to make use of maida for my roll. So this is a tip that you can remember here. And for making the roll, step 1 is to take a pan. So this is the pan I have taken. Turn on the gas, keep it on low to medium, and the first step is we will take oil. So I'm using here olive oil. Just put few drops. I think this much is enough. Spread it evenly. So our olive oil is now ready, and here is the small cubes of chicken that we are going to use in our chicken roll. So this I have already prepared. Now it's time to put the egg. And just to this we will keep our make sure that the egg sticks to the chapati. Time to flip. So this is how it is. Now we will keep this aside. So first we will see the chicken roll with egg. Here I am going to flavorize my chicken roll with tandoori mayonnaise. So this way you will get easily in the supermarket. Look at that. So take ample amount of tandoori mayonnaise. Apply nicely to the corners of the roll. I have applied the tandoori mayonnaise all over the roll. Now I am going to make use of veg mayonnaise. So this is the flavor. I am going to make this combination because I like this. So let's see how it goes for me today. Now comes the main ingredient, that is the chicken. So take medium amount of chicken, arrange it vertically. These are the onions. I have chopped them in this way. So mostly we prefer onions in a chicken roll, and obviously the green chilies are important if you want spicy. I prefer spicy, so I have used this green chilies. If you don't want, you can skip this. Just put over the chicken. It's looking lovely. The final step would be squeezing the lemon. So I'm squeezing here nice lemon, and it's now time to wrap it. So this is the roll which is ready. Look at the fillings. You can feel them. So this is one way, and now we will see the another way. In the second method, just heat the pan and take the chapati here, make it little warm, apply the tandoori mayonnaise. I'm not using any tomato ketchup because in the chicken itself I have used the ketchup. So already the chicken has that sweet and tangy flavor. So that's why I'm here using only the mayonnaise. Now comes the veg mayonnaise. Spread it evenly. The wheat chapati will be little softer, so if you want you can make use of maida while making a chapati for your chicken roll, but I am preferring here wheat. Take the chicken, same process for this roll also. Here I am making use of clove to fix the roll properly. That is how. So this is the way my chicken roll is ready. I hope you liked my recipe and I wish that you will also try this out and make a healthy choice. Thank you so much for watching my video. Remain healthy, stay healthy. Please support and subscribe to Food Chemistry by Amruta.